I'm Mullein leaf. Drink me a tea if you're a smoker. I'll scrub away the black tar buildup in your lungs so you can cuff it up for good.
I'm pineapple. Eat me when you have a cough. My enzyme bromelain will eat your thick, delicious mucus.
I'm Eucalyptus. Drop me in boiling water and inhale. I snap open tight, weaving airways so you can finally breathe deep.
I'm Thyme leaf. Steep me in hot water. I relax spasming windpipe muscles and shut down that dry, hacking cough.
I'm honey. Swallow a spoonful, I coat your throat, and a golden shield so the pain fades and sleep comes easier.